The equation of motion of a particle is given by d2x dt squared is negative 4 pi squared x. So this is SHM. Find x in terms of t, given that when t is 0, x is 2, and the speed is 0. In other words, it's over here, and that's its start point, right at the end there. Now, we know that x double dot is equal to negative n squared x. So from here, we can recognize that the n is 2 pi. From here, we recognize the amplitude is 2. And starting at the end, I normally go with a cos. So I'm going to go with 2 cos 2 pi t. Find, in exact form, when within the first cycle the particle travels at half of its maximum speed. Okay, well, we know that v is equal to n root a squared minus x squared. And we know the maximum speed is when x is 0. So v max is equal to na. So that's going to be, so that, remember this is n and this is a. That is going to be 4 pi. So we're interested in half, which is going to be 2 pi. So if v from here is going to be negative 4 pi sine 2 pi t, we're interested in, because half is 2 pi, we're interested in where sine 2 pi t is equal to half or negative a half. So, remember the sine is equal to a half, with the angles pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. I'll have pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. And it's a negative a half with 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. So t is going to be, dividing through by 2 pi, 1/12, 5/12, 7/12, and 11/12 of a second. A second particle starts from a position x equals a. So here, and completes SHM with a period of 0.5 seconds and amplitude 2. If both particles are started at the same time, they collide after 0.85 seconds. Find A. So this particle is going backwards and forwards about this point A. So we can say that x is equal to 2 sine. Now, if we want the period to be 0.5 seconds, we need 4 pi t in here. In other words, when t is 0.5, this would be 2 pi. So then we need to add a, because we know it's going backwards and forwards about a. So we know they collide after 0.85 seconds. And that means that our original particle must collide with this one when 0.85 seconds, which means that the x's are the same. So what we want to do is solve 2 sine 4 pi t plus a is equal to 2 cos 2 pi t. with t equals 0.85. So we can do that on here. We've got solve 2 sine, make sure we're in radians, 2 sine 4 pi times 0.85 plus x is equal to 2 cos 2 pi times 0.85. And that gives me 3.08 meters for A.